and find out what our chartists are looking at on Chartbusters. Nooresh and Kunal joining right back in. And Kunal, it's a media stock you're tracking today.
Well, yes, Savan, and PVR INOX is something which the stock has already gone through a very sharp sell-off or a consistent sell-off over the past many months. But then interestingly, what's changed for the stock this time around is some positivity which is emerging from the momentum oscillators. So this is the stochastic oscillator for the charts for PVR. We've seen historically that whenever the oscillator gets into a breakout mode, where there is a turn of from a bearish mode towards a slight bullish node, we've seen the stock bottoming out and then starting a course of a steady smart multi-week, multi-month uptrend. This time around the signals are very similar for the stock. The oscillator has given a breakout signal, which means potentially the breakdown which has happened for PVR from 1900 odd levels towards 1300 odd mark. This could be a strong base formation zone for the stock on the short to medium term basis, and if the indicator manages to move up higher and then crosses those key resistance points, then I believe PVR can also probably try and scale up higher. So this could be a good stock which could be kept on radar from a medium term perspective given the turn of indicators for the stock.
Okay, so that's about PVR INOX. Nooresh, what is your chartbuster idea this morning?
That's a chart for Titan, which has given a short-term breakdown below the 3600 mark. The recent swing lows broke yesterday. So a classical triangle breakout, a risk-reward trade wherein the stop loss at 3600 and could retest the previous support band of 3400 to 3200.
Okay, point taken. But Nooresh, before I come to you for a stock idea, help me do a chart check on Force Motors, Nooresh. That stock has suddenly seen a spike, 8% higher. Anything on the charts that looks interesting for Force Motors?
So technically, the stock has been in a strong uptrend for the last 3 months. Every dip has been bought into. Even the last 4 sessions, the stock corrected from 9,000 odd levels. And today it has seen a quick recovery. So the stock looks interesting, could slowly and steadily head up higher. And now a stop loss could be kept at say closer to 8200 levels.
All right, and Nooresh, Kunal, let's track your top recommendations.
So I'll go with 2 buy calls. The first one's one HUL, Hindustan Unilever, the stock forming a base or a bottom closer to this 2200 level. So buy with a target of 2300, stop us at 2155. And Bharti Airtel, something which has done pretty well for itself yesterday. The stock is also showing a lot of resilience today. So would suggest a buy, expecting a further up move. 1310 is a target, stop us at 1250.
Okay, so 2 large caps, Bharti Airtel as well as HUL. Nooresh, what are your own stock picks right now?
So first is a defensive buy on ITC, which has been finding support around that 415, 420 levels. So stop loss at 415 and a target price of 440 for a bounce. Second is a sell on Polycab, which is close to a short-term topping out case. 5300 is a stop loss, target price of 5000.
Okay, so that's the top recommendations coming in from our technical experts.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.